Good evening. My name is Gayatri Abhijit Mangaonkar from Goa. My task is what actual by according to you is social work. According to me, social work is an act done by the other without expecting any gain in the return. In other way, social work is any kind of act or work done by individual to living or as well as non-living things selflessly before or during also after the completion of any work, but when the above same work act is done within the intention of some gain or received some benefit as expected blessing, then the same act can be turned as a paid work rather than social work. For example, in the presence of pandemic COVID-19, any individual helps any individual or more in their difficulty times by helping them them corner family by helping the corner family and animals, etc., by supplying food, medicine, cloth, etc., as per individual needs. That is also a social work. Further, as COVID-19 came with many difficulties, simultaneously some important lesson was also taught by it. From example, utilizing and storing necessary items, thinking about the animal and birds around us to take requirement steps to feed them in spite of uncertainty about individual survival. That is also social work. Not stepping out of a house unnecessary is also a social work. People of different community, rich, poor, ministers, actors, common men also came together to help each other with a common social goals is also a social work. Medical, police, firemen, water supply, private securities agency, other basic necessary suppliers, even throughout they have paid for their service, but taking such a risk of taking a risk for the society is also a social work. Even I saw such a people celebrating their birthday with the migrants by distributing eatable to them. That is also a social work. Even by getting inspired, I also too celebrate my birthday with the migrants too. And I serve them lunch of 100 peoples. poor migrate. Experience the happiness of serving or helping as a social work. Even I saw some people giving lived over of kitchen vegetable and fruits waste to kettles instead of throwing into a dustbin. This is also a social work. When I which social work which I to get impressed and implemented. As the word social is social service is the biggest topic for which the given time is very short, but with the following could like to express myself with the example social work in the our day-to-day life. Casting a vote is a social welfare. Obliging to a traffic rule is social welfare. Social work. Not smoking in a public place is a social work. Giving respect to the human is a social work. Paying tax timely is a social work. Respecting the reservation in public transport is a social work. Giving preference to the social citizen standing in a line is a social service. Helping a blind man to cross a road is a social service, social work. I would like to share small important incident of my college days. Myself was appointed as ladies representative in a college. Expect throughout providing was appointed as a ladies representative. Expressing throughout and corner with the principal as a duty regarding providing sanitizer pad in the college premises, which is respectively principal agreed and implemented immediately. It was a small act of social work and it was but it is a revelation made by the girl. It make a revelation by the girl which even continue today. Thank you so much for giving me such beautiful topic. Thank you.